the right perspective, we all know FT was at one point of time the former promoter of MCX, and after what happened in the NSCL scam in 2012, things really changed with regulatory interference, so on and so forth. So at this point of time, market regulator SEBI has also asked perhaps would do for an audit on the whole software aspect, because FT's software is still being used in MCX as a commodity exchange, India's largest commodity exchange. Now, having said that, for MCX, they are very clear. There is no apprehension of any security breach or data trading getting compromised, because they are saying in the revised agreement, clearly the source code has been taken from FT and the source code is with MCX. So in that sense, immediately there is no issue since the source code is with MCX. But however, we all know that they will not be comfortable using this particular software for various reasons, with FT getting entangled into so many legal issues. But having said that, also the agreement says till 2022 they will have to use the agreement under the revised terms, and only 2 years before that, that is 2020, they can start negotiations to get a new vendor. Now, MCX being a commodity exchange, it's not easy to go in and change a software which has been functioning for almost close to a decade now, and that is where they are preparing, doing the groundwork so that they could look at various options before 2020, and they could in 2020 start that process of migration so that the whole transition is smooth, when in 2022 they could finally have a new vendor. So clearly that is the line of thinking in MCX, but for immediate future they are saying if regulator wants any audit, they are more than willing to do that. There is no issue of security and trading data being shared. Clearly the source code is with them, so nothing to worry. But from FT's perspective, clearly this would come as a huge blow. At this point of time, minus MCX 30 crore, there is no other income in FT's balance sheet. So clearly this would come as a huge blow, but clearly MCX has started laying the grounds to ensure they have a new vendor perhaps in the next 5 years, so that the transition is smooth, and clearly they want to get out of this legacy of FT as a promoter, which had promoted MCX at one point of time.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/etnow.